Top 5 Best Bike Tire Repair Kits Reviews. Top 5. BIKEHAND Complete Bicycle Repair Tools Toolkit. Complete Bicycle Toolkit. Item dimension: 9x 10x 18 inches. Fiber 0.5%. Top 4. Lumintrail Glueless Bike Tire Patch Kit W6 Adhesive Bicycle Tube Puncture Repair Patches. Convenient mini patch kit includes 6 small circle patches and 1 small sandpaper piece with instructions in a compact portable plastic case. Strong self-adhesive patches that are guaranteed to work.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3. RocRide New 16PC Inner Tube Patch Bicycle Repair Kit. Stronger than your punctured material, RocRide new patches are more durable than the actual rubber inner tube or dinghy materials that you will be patching. Lightweight, only 2.3 ounces, and it's also great to have in your backpack, camelback and utility bicycle pack. Top 2. REMA TT02 Tour Patch Kit, large. Includes 6 round, 1 oval patch. CFC-free cement. Top 1. Park Tool Vulcanizing Patch Kit, VP1. A tube of self-vulcanizing fluid bonds the patch to the tube at the molecular level. Each kit is packaged in a small plastic box with sandpaper for cleaning the tube and instructions.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.